This is a rice cooker. And this is our oven. You don't need to do anything like a electric oven thingy. So all you have to do is wrap the fish in the banana leaves and just let it bake. And that's for dinner. And right now we're boiling rice, I think. So this is the countryside living that I used to do when I was a kid. And this is the water pot. And these are the firewoods upstairs. Up there, rather. Countryside living. So the pots. This is the house dog named Super, because he was born in some kind of super typhoon. And this is what it's looked like in the entrance of our ancestral home. I grew up in this house. Beautiful, isn't it? There's a lot of overgrowth